Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to season your flour so that you could really cover and get crispy your fish. In this case, I am going to really cover the fish fillets. How to season your flour. Of course, I'm going to make an amazing recipe. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing recipe, these are the ingredients. For seasoning the flour, we're going to need salt, garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, and of course, flour. To, of course, make this amazing recipe of fish fillet, we're going to need garlic cloves, unsalted butter, 2 lemons, and of course, your cod fish or the fish that your family really loves. So let's get started. First things first, step by step, how to prepare your flour. Of course, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of each spice, black pepper, salt, garlic, and parsley. Once you have everything ready, this is the best part. When you make your own mixture of all-purpose flour, your fish is going to be slightly coated. Once you have everything in the all-purpose flour incorporated really good, this is a very easy, very necessary step to season your flour. Make sure that everything is well seasoned. So when you start adding your fish fillet in there, they're going to be coated with all those amazing spices. And here I have my fish fillet here. You could use tilapia. I am using cod, but you could use any type of fillet fish. Here I am going to add it directly into here. We're not using any egg. We're not using anything at all. No milk, no nothing. Just the all-purpose flour seasoned. This is the best part to do it just the way I'm showing you, because it's going to be slightly battered on the top. You're going to be able to get it nice and crispy from the top and from the bottom. Once you have covered your fish fillet, just put them aside and let them rest. I am going to make an amazing lemony butter parsley sauce. Let me tell you, this sauce really is delicious and amazing. You're going to need about 1 cup of the lemon juice. I have 4 garlic cloves. You know that I love garlic. Let me tell you, dice your garlic, really dice really small, making sure that you really dice it so that it really releases all those amazing flavors into the sauce. I am going to go ahead and add everything in here. And now, of course, we're going to reserve a little bit of that all-purpose flour seasoned, and I have everything ready to make that amazing sauce. I showed you the step-by-step how to season your all-purpose flour. And now I am ready to start frying the fish fillets. After you put them and you add the all-purpose flour, let them rest. Let them just stay there and relax for just a little bit so that the all-purpose flour really stick into the fish fillets. You're going to cook them for about 5 minutes on each side. No more than 1 flip and then they're ready. Let me tell you, when do you know when it's time to flip them? When you start seeing the edges of the fish fillet getting golden brown. Once you see them getting golden brown, you're ready to flip them. Remember, we're only going to flip once. Each side for 5 minutes in high, medium heat. Leave them there. Let them get nice and crispy. This fish fillet is going to get so crispy from the top, so crispy from the bottom, and then that amazing sauce on the top. And if you got to this part of the video and you're liking and loving this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. I am adding 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Of course, the diced garlic. This is going to infuse the butter. The tablespoon of the dry ingredient, which is the seasoned all-purpose flour. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. But remember, salt is to taste, family. Once everything has, you're going to add the lemon juice. Just incorporate it. It's going to get nice and thick. The texture is going to be really creamy. And let me show you the texture. Look at all these amazing flavors. The drippings of the fish. Oh my God. This is really going to make a difference. Once this is ready, it doesn't take too long. I'm going to put my fish fillet in the presentation plate. And then I'm ready to add that amazing sauce right on the top. Remember, I am doing it for the presentation, but let me tell you, once this is over, I'm putting these fish fillets back in the pan so that they really absorb all those amazing flavors on the bottom and on the top. I am going to show it to you. Of course, I am going to enjoy it with white rice. You could enjoy it with veggies, with the delicious salad. I love my white rice. So here I am ready to enjoy. I am ready to take a bite and tell you how this came out. My rice is still nice and hot. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing fish fillet. There's no excuses. Now you know how to season your flour to cover your fish fillet. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Let me tell you, it's nice and crispy. And I added some white rice, but let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 So delicious. Let me tell you. It's so flaky from the top, from the bottom, but yet from the center, it's just the flavors, the combination of the sauce. Oh my God. Just perfection made at home. Let me tell you, make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious fish fillet, covered, crispy, and there's no excuses. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.